Hi, I'm Alex from Connectify, and today I'll show you how to install Speedify on Linux. With Speedify version 8 now available on Linux, you can install Speedify on devices like this Raspberry Pi. Here's how. First, open a terminal window and enter this command. This will download and install the correct version of Speedify for your system. If your system has a desktop environment, then this includes the Speedify user interface. In either case, it will include the Speedify command line interface to allow you to interact with Speedify from the terminal. Now you can log into your account in the Speedify user interface or via the command line. If you're using your system graphically, first open up the Applications menu, select Internet, and then select Speedify to bring up the Speedify user interface. If you are already connected to any network connections, you'll see them contained inside connection bubbles near the top of the dashboard. Click the Switch On to connect to Speedify. Or, from the command line interface, enter this command with your credentials filled in to log into Speedify. Then enter this command to start. By default, the Speedify background service will run after installation and when the device boots, but Speedify will not automatically connect to the VPN by default. To set Speedify to automatically connect, run this command. Now, when you reboot your device, Speedify will automatically start and connect. It will also enable sharing features if you have it configured, so you can have your bonding device ready to go without any user interaction. And that's it! You can find more Speedify help if you need it at support.speedify.com.
Be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Tap the bell for notifications so you can stay up to speed on all our latest content.